Hi there, my name is Raphael from LifeGrowthDesigns. Today I'd like to share with you the best way I know to make money online. So let's get started designing your life. I'd like to get something out of the way from the beginning. Working online is also hard work. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about work, fulfilling work, and very profitable work at that, but it is still work. So if you're looking for some way to click a few times and to be rich, this is the wrong place for you. Now, if you're looking to be free from the location you're at, to be free from the job you're at, the commute you have to take, if you're looking to move towards something with high and unlimited potential of earning, then this is the right place for you. If you're looking for something that can be so exciting you jump out of bed in the morning, if you're looking to create a business that will continue to make money even when you're not working, then you're in the right place. So let's get started. Join me on my mini course. I will share with you what I learned spending tens of thousands of dollars on mentors and coaches. I will show you the ins and outs of what I learned to help you avoid some pitfalls and to make it even easier for you, and even that of my clients that I've been coaching now for a few years. And how to get started, how to make it more fulfilling, how to not get caught in the overwork trap, etc., etc. So let's get started with something. I want to give you already something that you can walk away with. When you're deciding what it is about working at home online, like I said, the most important thing to know is that it's work. I would say the next most important thing is, it has to do with what I just said. The next most important thing is learn from people who have already walked the path. Now, at some point you may come up with something completely original that's never been done, and I will encourage you on that. But when you're starting, find out somebody who's outstanding and start watching them. Check out the greats. Check out the people who are doing what it is you want to do and follow them. Now, there's something also that's important in that: proximity. Now, I buy books from the greats. I want to say gurus, but Tony Robbins would say I'm not your guru. But I buy books from the greats, and I watch videos from the greats. And I also buy and watch videos from people like me. And the reason for that is, it has to do with the difference between aspiration and inspiration. Tony Robbins inspires me. Right? Sylvester Stallone inspires me. There are many people out there that inspire me by their great stories, but it's so far away. So when I hired a coach, I hired somebody closer in proximity to me in his development, right? He's a few steps ahead of me. And I could afford one-on-one coaching with him. I could get closer proximity to him, to work with him closely, and he was fresh out of the place that I was heading to, so he could show me really closely what not to do and what he would do if he was about to do it over again. So I encourage you, as you're looking at what it is you want to do online, to one, study the greats, study the people out there that have made millions. And find somebody that's just a few steps ahead of you, that you resonate with, that you really feel is more like on your level, that you could sit in a circle with, like a brother or sister. And follow them, right? Like I said, that's somebody, like with me, I'm giving you this free course online that you can afford to learn from. And if you continue to do any services from my paid services, they are things that you could afford, as opposed to Tony Robbins coaching that costs $1 million a year for five appointments. So go ahead. Why don't you learn from me and what my mentors showed me and what my clients showed me that's just a few steps ahead of where you're at right now. And we'll show you everything you need to get started even faster than we did. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.